Hi, my name is Basha. I'm a pyro artist burning since 2010, and I'm on a mission to share everything I know and show you everything I own when it comes to pyrography. Let's dive into Wood Burning Realistic People by Joe Schwartz. As the title says, this is a step-by-step guide to creating a perfect portrait of people. And I love this book. It has all the steps you need. It has a gallery for inspiration. The photos are not my favorite. The quality isn't the best. However, it still showcases what pyrography can do and how realistic looking you can burn people and faces and portraits and all those good things. So much possibility with wood burning. It is a very versatile and satisfying hobby, and a lot of people are scared of portraits. So here we go. The book starts off with a basic guide on buying a unit, your nibs and pens, keeping your tools clean, putting together all the other accessories that you're going to need. It guides you through making a sample board, which is really good for practicing your shading. And it also goes over some materials, wood grain, wood prep, protecting your portraits. And then it gets into the general techniques, and I love this part. It's from stroke to stroke. It shows you exactly what you need to be doing, and also it describes exactly what you need to be doing and how to do it. It goes over burnishing and creating 3D effects, and it really dives into all the details on burning realistically, not just line work or shading, but actual portraiture. This chapter is how to turn a photograph into a pattern, and it does go over some good techniques, although the steps are for each program might be different than what programs are available now, but each of these ideas and general guides can be implemented into any program. It's just so useful to switch your photos into something that has easier to follow lines and really brings out the shadows and the details that you need to focus on. So all this processes for each of these programs are very useful for all your photographs. And then it dives into piece by piece of the face, how to wood burn and where to start on each facial feature and how to make it realistic and why it looks realistic like that. Every feature. This goes into the nose. It even shows you which direction to pull. It's beautiful. It's great. It's step by step. Makes it really easy to understand. Here it's comparing it to the shading board. It shows you the ears and where to burn from there. It even shows you how to make your highlights by actually carving into the wood and guides you step by step through that. Super important for hair and other textured materials like fabrics. Yeah, again, the pictures are could be better, but in the end, the burn photos are very good and have enough detail to be able to see what you're needing to do. And then it goes from start to finish through a photograph that the author did. There's a little bit about the author, and that's it. I recommend this book if you're looking to wood burn something that is a personal gift or something, a keepsake for a family member or for yourself. Let me know in the comments if you've read this book and what you think about it. If you want me to review any other books, leave those in the comments as well. I'll be reviewing a bunch more very soon, but would love to know what you want to hear first. I'll also be reviewing pyro tools and all the accessories that I use when I wood burn, so stay tuned and thank you for watching.